Good evening, students. Today we are going to learn about a new topic called function overloading. There is one question comes in ICSC. It is highly scoring and very easy topic. All students must try to understand this concept of function overloading. Now, what is function overloading? Function overloading means two or more functions having same name but different function arguments or signature. The basic thing is this. Means you have to write two or more functions with same name. Right? I am writing one example. Please follow the board. Class whatever told, you write that one, and method whatever told. Suppose my method is area, and my problem is I have to calculate area of square, rectangle and circle. This public is not compulsory in, but still public void area. The first one I am writing to calculate area of a square. Now, public void area, I have taken one argument. This is our function signature or argument. We are printing the area of the square. And area of the square is, I hope, side into side. The next one, I will be doing public void area. Note, the function name is same. Now, here, I am taking two arguments, int length and breadth, because I am calculating area of rectangle. These formulas will be provided. I have just taken one easy example so that you can understand. Now, I have one public void area, one argument, public void area, two arguments. Now, make sure that this should vary. Here I have one integer, here I have two integer. Don't think it like this. Here I have int s, here I can have int t. Now, the third one will make your concept more clearer. Public void area. Here I am taking radius. Now I could have taken integer. If I have taken integer, then my concept would have been wrong, because we had two functions with same argument, that is integer. So we had to differ. We have to differ. And how? Here one integer, here two integer, and here finally I have taken a double so that I can differ. Now the class ends here. Till date, easy programs have come in ICSC and all the function prototype. Now what is function prototype? The first line of function definition. Public void area int s. This public is access specifier. You can give or you cannot. Void if your function is not returning a value. Void area, it's taking one integer, calculating and printing. I have done in one line. You can take a variable, store it and then print it. Same public void area. These three things, same name. What is the difference? I am taking one integer here, two integer, and third one a double. It makes it function overloading. I hope that's clear. Now, your function can return values and can return. This is a program where I am not returning values. This is just printing. And one more thing, main has been never been asked in ICSC, but still, if you want to write, or suppose it may be asked, then you can write void main or public static void main. You can create object or not. Normally I don't create. You can simply call area 5.4. If you call this one, this will be called. If you write here area 6, this will be called. And if you write 5 comma 8, this will be called. In case main is asked, then. Now, suppose the same problem is given, you have to calculate volume of cube, cuboid and sphere. But the problem has stated that you have to return the value. You have to return the value of volume of each geometrical sphere. Now, in that case, let us do the changes. Public double, suppose name of the function is volume. First one, volume of cuboid. Return side into side into side. Now why return? Because we have here double. We don't have a return type with void. We have a return type with double. Means it is going to return a double. Or better, you write here double V equals to side into side into side, and then return V. Again same way, public double volume for cuboid, you have int length, int breadth, int height. Here 3 arguments. Again you can write double V length into breadth into height. Again you do return. Same thing, just put the formula. And the third one, if told, public double volume. We have double R for radius. Again you have double V equals to 22 by 7.0 if the formula is right, it is pi r cube. Return V. Now in case main is asked, if your main is asked, again you have to write main. This time I am creating object, not necessary though. Overloading OB equals to new overloading. Now since your values are being returned, you use double V1, V2, V3. V1 equals to OB dot area, suppose 3.5. This one will be called. Again, so you have to print V1. Like this, you have to call the other methods and you have to print. You can directly print also. Then this will be called. Main is optional. If told, then only you do. Otherwise, you better leave it. Thank you.